picket line. Have you been to jail for justice? Then you're a friend of mine. Law-abiding citizens, come listen to this song. Laws were made by people, and people can be wrong. Wrong founders were against the law, but slavery was fine. Women worked without the vote, while children worked on mines. The more you study history, the less you can deny it. A rotten law stays on the books till folks with guts defy it. Have you been to jail for justice? I want to shake your hand. 'Cause sitting in line down our ways take a stand. Have you sung the song for freedom or marched that picket line? Have you been to jail for justice? Then you're a friend of mine. The law's supposed to serve us, so are the police. When the system fails to us to see our peace, it must be ashamed that all we want to share. Have you been to jail for justice? I want to shake your hand.
He's off in the morning.
Do you want an attorney?
1A.
Which is?
It's administrative code.
Which means?
You can look into that just to let you know that.
So do you know what it means though?
Just letting you know what the
Can you
deal is
explain
there.
to me what it means?
Thank you.
Okay, so do you not know what the administrative code is? Can you not explain to me what I would be cited for?
Jason Huberty, Madison, Wisconsin, 303 Memphis Avenue, 53714,
Can-
608-957-9335, H1634337544108, 395-769363, DOB 120175, 10:51 a.m. St. Mary's Hospital, Madison, Wisconsin. Anything else? Don't have a vehicle, or I'd have my VIN.
So can nobody here explain like what the administrative code is? Just like what it would be? I have to look into it. I'm the one who has to do something. It's not the Capitol Police who can explain things to me. I have to do it.
What we're here to tell you is that it's a prohibited act under 2.0A.
And you
1A.
cannot tell me what it is.
You can look into that on your own.
I can look into it, but you can't tell me what it is. So you just don't know what it is.
That's the end of it. This is what I'm here to tell you, okay? Thank you.
Well, can Steingraber or Davis tell me what it is? Are they not allowed to speak?
His assistant. He's assistant. You guys, I cannot believe it.
I was pushed
Just
in
get
my
back.
chest.
Just get back.
Sir, she's losing consciousness. Have you consciousness? She's losing consciousness. She has a heart condition. She's on her
Lay her flat. All right, but yeah, come on. Just lay her flat for me. Get her feet up. 21 feet. This is not laying her flat. That is considered her feet up. Look it up. There's a lot of things you all need to look up. Now, her safety is our concern.
Dogs hell for the century, $1 million at stake. As you search for your demigod, and you fake with a saint.
And to jail for justice, I want to shake your hand. 'Cause sitting in and lying on our ways, take a stand.
We have been actually serving as criminal defense and otherwise as defense counsel and counsel in these various cases. I want to point out we have Samantha Leonard, we have Susan Lund, we have DK Hamill, and we have a number of others here who have either are members of the Guild or who have been enlisted into this fight by the Guild. And I'm very proud of the fact that we were involved through our professional training as attorneys. We feel that the defense of these basic civil liberties is part of the mission of the National Lawyers Guild, and that's why we're here. But we're also here because we are concerned about the message. The message is important. The message for which you guys are being arrested, the message for which the crackdown took place at the state capitol, and the message of the crackdown that we're seeing today is the message of justice. That we don't like what's happened in our state of Wisconsin. We don't like what's happened in terms of the reversing of the historic progressive priorities of good people, of the justice and kind people in Wisconsin. We don't like it. So the Guild is concerned not just with the liberty issues here, we're concerned with the broader injustices that I listed before.
Thanks again, y'all, for being here. I'm going to try and keep this fairly brief. I think we say a lot of the things we need to say. I mean, but I don't have Facebook anymore, so I'm not sure. What I would like to say, though, is that this matters. When we first started doing this a couple years ago, this didn't happen, right? And that's fine. It's beautiful what we've gone through, what we've seen, what we've accomplished, and who we've become, right? But this makes a difference, and it puts a smile on my face to see us support each other in this way. This is real community. Community is not 140 characters. That's why we're coming together. So forgive me if I get right into the fire and brimstone, but this is some bullshit. We're standing right outside of a building with captive human beings. Captive human beings held against their will at our expense. And let us not forget that. And that's not even the end of that injustice. They want us to live here. They want me to wake up every morning in this building. But the one thing I'd like to say to you is that if you're there with me, I no longer fear that. If I know that this is out here, I no longer fear that. So as you go about what you do, and as you express yourselves, remember what that means to people, and that you do this for more than yourself. And finally, I want to say that the free speech is great. I love it. But that's not where the First Amendment ends. You don't have to have a political message to peaceably assemble. This is not illegal for a reason. Because this is what we have left. Once this is gone, I don't even know what I'm fighting for. I don't know why I get up in the morning and decide to find where I'm gonna eat.
So I want to say a couple things, which is mostly, give me 100 of these, okay? Seriously, I've got 6. But I want everybody to know, when you go down to the Capitol, it should not be your goal to get arrested. It should be your goal to exercise your civic, your constitutional rights. You tell the officers, we don't have the problem with you. To quote my friend who's not here, Bart, I have a problem with your boss, and your boss's boss, and his boss's boss, okay? So we appreciate that you're put in a tough spot, and we consider what you're doing to be illegal and unconstitutional. Once you put me under arrest, I will comply with everything you ask me to do.